Hello everyone, we have another problem called invalid tweets and it has a table called tweets. The table has two columns, the first one being tweet ID, which is the primary key column here. So basically the column with the unique values. And the second column is the content, and the problem statement says that this column will have alphanumeric characters, exclamation mark and white space, and it will not have any other special characters. So what do you have to do here? We have to write a solution to find IDs of invalid tweets. The tweet is invalid if the number of characters used in the content of the tweet is strictly greater than 15. So here's an example of the table, and this should be the output because this is way longer than 15 characters. So let's begin. We'll start by saying select, and we want to select the tweet ID, and we want to select this from the table tweets. I'm sorry. Now we have to write the condition, and we'll use the where clause. So we have to find out how many characters the content column has for each row. So what we'll do is we'll say length, and we'll pass the content, and we'll check if it is greater than 15 or not. So we'll end it with a semicolon, and if we run this, it should work. So it has been accepted, but there is another way to do this. Simply, instead of length, we could use character length, and it will give us the same output. And I want to talk a little bit about the difference between these two. So initially we used length, and if we use length, it actually returns the length in bytes. And if we use character length, it just counts the number of characters. So what it matters is that suppose you have an emoji here. For example, if we pass this emoji, the length will be measured in terms of how many bytes the character is taking up. So it will take up 4 bytes for this emoji, but if we pass the same thing in character length, it will still be 1. So in our case, since it does not have any special characters other than just the exclamation mark, we can use either of these, but for a practical scenario where there might be emojis, or let's say any European letters might take 2 bytes, or Chinese or Korean or Japanese might take 3 to 4 bytes. So in those cases, we should use character length, but in this case, length is fine. So yeah, that's how we solve this problem.